Hey Ian, it's Chris Duke speaking, and it's 10th of April. So thanks for sending us the revised plans here. I just have some comments though. First of all, I see the contour lines here, but this section right here, it doesn't have this real like kind of even gradient here. It's quite flat here, and then there's a cut line right here, and it jumps up pretty high. So right there where it says 10 meters in my pencil line there's a real evident cut line, and it almost lines up with the 4.2 meter setback from the property line where the cottage is going to have. Also, from the front of the cottage to the property line over there, it's 17 meters. And I measured it was approximately 15 meters of opening here. That's actually quite flat. And I sent, I'll send another photo too. There's actually a drill rig in there right now, and I don't have great pictures, but what I'll send you, you can see it's actually a quite flat open area. And if there's a drill rig in here, that must be, I don't know, 8 meters wide or long. I mean. There's still space here in the front of it too to back in and out. You can see to drive up here and back in and go into the well spot there. I was also thinking we really want to minimize tree removal, so I was thinking that what we could do is put in a French drain here, which would capture runoff this way and runoff this way. So on this map here you sent me today, I think it would be good to have a retaining wall here. We're going to have lots of boulders that we're going to pick up, and I think what we could do is make a simple retaining wall right here by stacking boulders. So moving your retaining wall here, moving it back up there, and I probably would curl it down here so that we can have some fill on the side of the cottage here. Because I like right here, I would like the grade to come down and be at grade right here, but this should be sloping up to the back of the cottage here. The second thing is, I just should put in here is we have an easy 15 meters here of driveway space. This is 17 meters from A to B. The well is now existing. It's being drilled right now. The truck right there. And the truck is actually oriented like this. So there's quite a bit of space there. The truck, I'm assuming, is about 8 meters wide or so. So here's a possible location for the French drain. I don't want to put a driveway here because we'd have to take out a lot of trees, and also I don't want to put a swale all the way along here with a berm. That would mean a huge amount of tree removal over this whole distance here. So I really don't want to put a berm right here. That would be basically clearing my whole lot. This septic tank actually, or weeping bed, would actually be more located right here. Minimum of 3 meter setback from the property line here and here. I really don't want to have this here. We might have a little backup spot here like this, but that's about it. This swale here, I'm hoping that it would be able to, this French drain would be able to capture the water as it comes down, and because of the nature of the surface here, it's highly porous. I was just there on Sunday, 3 days ago. There's no signs of runoff coming down here, so this big drain here, again, I would be chopping out all kinds of trees, and I really want to avoid that. My whole intention of having the French drain here is to minimize the surface runoff. Okay? Do you want to give me a call and we can discuss? Thanks.